Hello everyone. In the previous video we have learned how to make forms in HTML for your website. So we have learned that we should use form tag to start the form, what is action, what is method, how to get a type text, how to get a type of password, how to make the radio buttons, how to make the checkbox buttons, and how to make this list so that we can have a drop down a scroll bar to choose the options, right? So we have learned this all in the previous video. Now once the form data is filled, we want to submit it. For example, let's say the person has done this, provided the email, provided the password, selected the subject and the day also. The whole data is filled now. Now person needs a button to submit this form, right? So I will put that now I want an input from the user and it is of type submit, right? We want to submit the data and it gets saved. It will visible here with the value of submit the data. So the value on your website will be submit the data. And suppose the person has made some mistake, so it has to reset the whole form. So what it will be? Type will be reset. So if you will not mention anything, it will be written reset. If you want to change it, you can have it in the value that clear the form. So it will written clear the form here. So these are the two input boxes. This will input all the data, submit all the data in the URL that you mentioned here. Here the data gets saved. And this is how data will get saved. Okay. And when it will get saved, when we will click this submit the data button. And if I want to clear this, I will click clear the form button. So let's suppose I entered the data, entered the email, entered the password, selected the subjects, the day also, and now I will submit the data. It will get saved in this URL. I have not put any URL, so it's showing me internal server error. Okay. And how the reset is working? Reset is working. I'll enter the name, enter the email, enter the password, select the subjects, the day, and clear the form. So it has cleared the form for me. So these are the two inputs that we have seen. The type is submit, type is reset. Okay. So revise the topic form. See how do we make form, how do we put these buttons here and what they do. Do it by yourself. Just seeing the video will not solve the purpose, will not serve you the purpose. And thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.